Been working on the model pickup. Stay tuned, we'll see what we got done. Welcome back to another episode of FranknCarrie's Homestead model building. Been working on that pickup. I got the motor in the chassis. Got the leaf springs on, shocks on. Got the interior done, including the Taz floor mats. Even gave the seats look like a little bit of wear. Got to do a little touch up here and there on it. Other than that, looking good. I'll have pictures up above. Got the bed to pick up. Going together, it's drying. I got the glass in the cab, it's drying. So it's just a slow process, and that's what I've been up to. Show you something that I came across, a little bit of a collectible. Hopefully you can see that. Richard Petty figurine. Spinning around here. Even came with a tire. I thought that was pretty cool. He was one of my favorites. Still is, even though he's retired. Well, got the tires together, sanded down, looked like a little wire. But there's a surprise coming up on them and the rest of the pickup. But we got about 3, maybe 4 inches of snow last night. Got about 1.5 inches a couple days before. Been busy doing that. Still waiting on some stuff for this pickup. When I do these models, I don't get in a big hurry. I just take my time. Give plenty of time for the glue to dry. One thing, these blue tubes, I don't care for that glue. But I did find some of the red, which dries a little faster to me. I am going to look into the modeling super glue. I hear that's some pretty good stuff from what a guy told me. Other than that, that's about it. When we get into getting this put together and that, then I will show you some techniques that I do, make it look a little more real, and that kind of stuff. So there might not be another video for a couple days. We'll just see how it goes. Like I say, I got to do a little bit of touch up here and there. Put a few more things on the frame. And that. But I got the engine all wired. And like I said, there will be a picture above. And that. So anyway, I'm going to let you go for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget, smile today, smile tomorrow, you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.